So one final thing you may need to do is to put the background to white. Go to Layer, New Solid, and choose the color white. It may not be on there already, so go ahead and click OK, and it will create that layer, and then you need to bring it down to the bottom. So as you can see, this has now got the same kind of background as in Illustrator, which may be exactly what you want. In order to export this, we're going to go to File, Dependencies. This is going to collect all the files that this project depends on, the After Effects recipe and the Illustrator file. Very simple set of files right now, but in more advanced projects you can imagine how valuable this could be. Let's go ahead and collect these, and I've already got some names that I've been using here, but what would be a lot easier would be this export. So I'm going to click on one I already have and show you that it doesn't automatically change the folder name. So I'm going to Control-C, copy that. You would need to type in the date, Kaleidoscope, what export try this is, and then put your name on it. If it has the date and the name at least, then that's going to help us a lot. You definitely want to copy this because that's the name you want to give the video file to. You don't have to type it in again. When you click Save, let me do this. Maybe you have to change one thing about this. Let me see. Oh yes, because we need to try 3 because this happens to be third period. The name will have to be different. Okay, now that I've saved it, it opens up that folder for me. It's in my Kaleidoscope folder. If you've been doing it from downloads, then that would be the chance for you to switch to your vector graphics project folder, and then this package is all ready to go. I don't want to export this one, so I'm going to go ahead and File, close the project, not close After Effects, it takes too long to open, and go back to my new folder, Try 3, where my After Effects project is. Here in Footage, you see the file that is used to make this, the Illustrator file. Yours may be named something different, which is why you have to have this entire folder for anybody else to be able to export it for you. Let's go ahead and open it. Do File, Export to Adobe Media Encoder. If it's already open, you can see I've got a job in progress here. It will go faster. I could even pause this temporarily and wait for that job to show up so that I can show you what to do with it. There's the job now, and you'll notice that it never gave us an opportunity to change the bitrate. And the name is still what it defaulted to. So let's click on this and we're going to customize it. We want this to have as much data as it needs to make a perfectly clear video. So we're going to change it to a constant bitrate, and let's jump it up to 100. It probably won't be able to make a file quite this big, but it's better to have data left over. The other thing is the name. Since we copied the name of the folder, we can also paste it in here, and here's the export. This will make an MP4 video in your project subfolder that was created for you. Just click Save and OK, and you're ready to get started again.